Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Saeco B&A Plus espresso machine. Now for this machine we just gave it a tune-up, and this machine desperately needed a tune-up as it was in really bad condition. You can see in these pictures right here that it's just really dirty. There's a lot of coffee build-up around the machine. This valve was completely clogged, and it was also there was a lot of coffee deposit right here, coffee grounds, and it was just blocking this part, and it was just really terrible. Like once we opened it up, there was so much coffee in here, and thankfully we just cleaned everything. We gave it a tune-up, replaced the valve that you see right there, replaced the oil. This one you see here. This is the valve, the older valve, and yeah, just give it a good service. And we also descaling the machine as well. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test it out. Perfect. Nice, beautiful flow coming out from the spouts. Excellent color as well. Good quantity of water. And now for the hot water one. And as you can see, steady flow coming out of the machine and excellent temperature. And now for the steamer. It's gonna take a few seconds for the machine to build up some pressure, but once we get pressure, we're gonna be able to see the steam coming out from the water. Okay, now that it's ready, time to build up pressure in there. Perfect, as you can see, steam also perfectly fine, the pressure, the temperature as well. And there you have it. So it could be an upload working once again. So thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.